The top 17 best vegetables for good health and 10 fruits good for our health. Asparagus, avocado, Chinese cabbage, bok choy, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, celery, cucumber, dandelion greens, endive, escarole, green fennel, kale, lettuce, romaine, red, green, leaves mustard, onion, peppers, tomatoes. 10 fruits good for our health. Number 1. The apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, do you know that saying? The apple is a fruit very commonly eaten in our country. This fruit is reputed to be excellent for your health, particularly because it contains pectin, a soluble fiber known to regulate intestinal transit. Number 2. The banana. Rich in vitamin C, the banana would have the effect of boosting our immune system, thus protecting our bodies from colds and other small cold snaps. Number 3. The orange. The orange is often associated with energy, due to the fruit's high vitamin C content. In reality, the orange would not have a very high energy intake but would promote an effective immune system. The orange would also allow the fluidification of the blood and would fight against constipation. Number 4. The kiwi fruit. The kiwi is a tangy, brightly colored fruit, considered strange by children because of its hairy skin. The kiwi is a good, healthy fruit with many benefits. Rich in vitamin C, the kiwi is also packed with vitamins A and E, antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, preventing cell aging and certain types of cancer. Number 5. Pineapple. An exotic fruit appreciated by children, pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, improving blood circulation and promoting protein digestion. Number 6. The apricot. Light, sweet and palatable, apricots are an excellent source of vitamins A, C and E. This fruit is also rich in potassium, a mineral salt that prevents high blood pressure and osteoporosis. Number 7. The melon. A summer fruit par excellence, melon is rich in vitamin C, vitamins that help the immune system to be effective. This fruit is also rich in carotenoids, preventing cancer and heart disease. Number 8. The lemon. Lemon is the detox fruit par excellence. Indeed, lemon is said to stimulate kidney activity, which favors the elimination of toxins. Rich in flavonoids, lemon has antioxidant properties that can prevent cardiovascular disease and cellular aging. Number 9. The mango. Sweet and creamy, mango is one of those exotic fruits that we take pleasure in discovering and rediscovering. It is also a good health ally. A source of magnesium, potassium, calcium and iron, mango is also packed with vitamins C and D as well as beta-carotene, flavonoids and soluble fiber. Number 10. The strawberry. The strawberry is a fruit that generally puts everyone in agreement. Raw, with a little sugar, in cake or tart, the strawberry is appreciated by everyone. Fruits and vegetables are delicious and are especially good for our health. There are enough of them for everyone to enjoy.